Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna actually be in a duel so I can stretch this video out, be more than 10 minutes. So I open up my combo. I'm playing Orcust, so let's get started. Hope you guys enjoyed the card taking comments below. I open up really well. I literally just started playing Orcust last night for the first time, and I already know how about to play the deck. It's a pretty easy deck to play. I'm not saying that it doesn't take any skill. It does take a lot of skill to play. Uh, I think I'm going to save Phoenix just in case. I have a feeling that back row is going to be a problem for me. Actually, no, it's not because it is. Well, actually, it might. That would only protect me from 2. The cool thing is this took 1 card to pull off, which is insane, ain't it? Which is why it's so consistent. If I should have meant in defense. Oh well. So that was my turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I ran into 3 somehow. So, not sure where that +2 came from. I know 1 did, but, yeah. Oh, I do know. So, yeah, that's Orcust in a nutshell. The deck is so good. Like, I literally just picked it up last night, too. I somewhat played confidently. Really? Guys, stay good. Nice. This is a really bad matchup because this doesn't really do anything. And Lord, these. I think I'm gonna call by the grave this to negate her effect. I'm not gonna. I was gonna think about doing this, but I was like, I could just use call by the grave to do the same thing. Use this for something more important. At the button actually really sucks against this matchup. My shit can't be destroyed by battle by card effect. Actually, should have detached the other guy. It's okay. That's fine. That's fine. I actually don't need kill bonding have his card anymore. It's okay. That's fine. I don't have any more. Damn it, I misclicked. I actually could make another one of him, which is crazy. I actually didn't need to do that. I can still shuffle back with cards, can I? Oh, I guess it's not a cost. Okay. Even though I just misplayed really bad, I'm still in a really good spot. He has 2 cards. I'm getting one, at least one of them. Oh, I messed up. Ah, shit. That's fine. I still got called by the grave. I should cut the link out. I don't really think he can do much. I should do that. Yeah, I should have kept that link on the field. I am screwed up. Oh man, I could have won. Now he's getting like crazy advantage off of his shit. I think I still won. Maybe. Jeez, that sucks. So he has nothing else he can do this time. That's good. I thought like a monster. Maybe I can. Jeez. If I can draw a monster, I can link summon into an Orcust and then. Why would you link into that? I don't have to do you any good. Why? That's bullshit. I lost because I fucking misplayed. But y'all see why that works. That was good. If I had kept that link on field, I would have won that game. Anywho, this is the deck profile real quick because I got 5 minutes. 2 Orcust Hop Horror, 2 Orcust Nightmares, 1 World Legacy Wand, 1 Orcust Camembert Skeleton, 1 World Legacy Wand, 3 Scrap Recycler, I got allergies, 1 Mecha Phantom Beast O-Lion, this is just basically a combo starter, one of your combo starters, 1 Trickstar Candina, 1 Trickstar Carabine, 1 Phantom Sky Blaster, and in the hand traps, there's plenty of them. 3 Phantasm Dragon, Phantasme, 3 Ash Blossom, 3 Ghost Ogre, 3 Effect Failure. For your spells, Foolish Burial, 1 Orcust Babble, 1 Trickstar Light Stage because it got limited, 1 Terraforming, 1 Sky Striker Mecham Horn Drones, 3 Sky Striker Mobile Engaged, 3 Instant Fusion. This is something I'm thinking about taking out for like more hand traps, like infinite and permanents. The only thing is that this does help extend combos if I need an extra monster on field. Like if this gets ashed, or this gets ashed, or this gets ashed. Well, not this, but if one of my combo stars like this or this gets ash monster, I can instant fusion into a monster and still go off. That did come up once, but I don't know. 3 Call by the Grave for protection. 1 Orcust, I can't pronounce that name. So, extra deck, 1,000 District, 1 Elchstar Window, 2 Dingzuru, the Orcust of Evening Star, 3 Galatea, the Orcust Automation, 1 Longzhu, the Orchestra, 1 Skyshaker 8 Kagari, 2 Nightmare Mermaid. This is so if you get Ash Blossomed, or if you need another monster in your, if you need to go off again next turn because your board gets wiped somehow, you have another Nightmare Mermaid, so you can go into your combo again for next turn. I only play 2 because I feel like 3 is too many. You're never gonna need to do the combo 3 times in a game. So 1 Nightmare Phoenix, 1 Nightmare Storabiz, 1 Nightmare Unicorn, 1 Boilo Dragon. That's it for the extra deck. For the side, 3 Artifact Lancia, 3 Drone Lockbird, 3 Thanos Wrestle Prinkle Top, 2 Mind Control, 3 Twin Twister, and 1 Impenetrable Order is my trap. So, I want to give a big shout out to Simo. Actually, y'all guys to go check his channel out. Most people already know who Simo is, but if I don't, go check his channel out. So, I took from he went to Nationals and did really well with a deck similar to this. It was, the only difference was, it was 3 Light Stage and 2 Terraforming instead of the extra, and then it was 1 Engaged and no Phantom Sky Blaster. But that was pre-ban list, right? So I had to change the deck list a little to make it for the new FNL list. So I was like, Phantom Sky Blast, it's a good card. It's a 1 card, and it doesn't lose to Ash Blossom, so I've actually never seen this ever, but it's okay. It's still good. And then I was like, I'll add some Engaged to make this more, playable, so you can see this a little bit more. I rarely see it, actually. I actually open with this more. I play less of it. It's weird. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and everything. Comment below. I will catch you guys later. This is Jinzo signing out. Good night today.